Okay, hopefully this is in focus. So in April-May timeframe, Grumbacher, their Facebook page, had a little event, challenge, activity thing to create tarot cards. And I didn't know it at the time, but if you completed them and submitted them, like emailed it to them, you could win a prize, get a prize for actually completing the whole challenge. And I will show I'll flip through the book after I show you what I got for free. So excited. Okay, so just gonna slowly dump this stuff out here, I think. Alright, so let's do the big things first. In and out pages, heavy drawing, 114 pounds. Okay, that could be like a long notebook, and it's pages that come out and then you can put them back in. Okay, and they come out way easy. Okay, we'll fix that later. Oopsie oopsie. Okay. And then this one, ooh, it's watercolor. It's the same. This one's 140 pound, 300 GSM. Nice, nice. And it's in and out too. I'm not going to pull it out. 12 sheets. So that's very cool. I mean, these are good prizes, right? I mean, it's free. And then this says black ink. I'm going to believe it's black ink. Higgins Black. You know what I did with my last bottle of India ink that was about this size? Dumped it. Stained my brown table black. Yeah, because that's me. And then a couple of tubes of acrylic paint. This is Process Magenta and Payne's Gray. This says oil, but I can see this one's labeled lemon yellow, so I'm thinking, and this is quinacridone red, so I'm thinking they might, yeah, okay. It's stuck. How can I get stuck? Oh. Okay, so I have dioxazine purple, and is that oil? Yep. I don't really do a lot of oil painting. Are these oil too? Well, these are watercolor. Okay. So my brother does a lot of oil. Maybe he could use some purple. So these are watercolors. This says watercolor. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, ooh. I'm glad I got a lot of watercolor. So we got Payne's Gray, Black, Theo Violet, and Cad Red, and Parvaline Maroon. I don't know that I've used that one. Ultramarine Blue, Yellow Ochre, Cad Yellow, Pale, and Phthalo. Is that Phthalo? No, it's Theo. No, it's Phthalo Green. Cool. Awesome. Set that aside. Push it over. I think these are just boxes that they get supplies in, like bulk for stores and stuff. I think. So in here, says 6 markers, but you know what? It's free. We don't care. Ooh, it's a blender. Is it a blender or is it white? If it's a blender, I'm going to have to read it. So we got blue, chrome green, and cream, and a blender. Probably have to, oh wow. It stinks. Ooh, ooh. You remember those big fat markers? The big black ones that stunk really bad? Yeah, that's them. Yeah, whew. I don't know if you can blend. I do this, I don't want to mess things up. Kind of smeared it around. This is the wrong paper to do it on, but hey! Make sure I get the blue off the tip. Those are big, big markers though, man. Cool. Alright. What would happen if we stuck some green inside there? Going over my blue. Alright, I'm playing around now. I've already got ink on me. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Little Corey Nor. Hard mousse. Hard mousse. Polycolor. So are these just like colored pencils? Ooh. Is that one really metallic? Will that show up on here at all? It's a metallic colored pencil. Can you see that? You probably can't see that at all. It shines a little bit. Anyways, I'm being silly. So a pile of colored pencils. Those are awesome. That one laid down really well, actually. Cute little container. But see, if you are not following Grumbacher's Facebook page, you should be. If I can get it, I will put a link below to their Facebook page so you can join up and maybe win some fun stuff. And I will show you the flip through of the tarot card challenge that we did right after this. Okay, so this is a book I just started doing. Look how deformed it is. Doing collage type stuff with jelly prints, which is what this is. I have a video on this one, and I may or may not have a video on that one, and there's one more in the middle there. I started skipping around. Oh yeah, this one. Started skipping around when I noticed how deformed my pages were getting. But this is for the tarot card thing. So they had 20, how many did we? 22 tarot cards. So starting with 0, the Fool, and we just kind of recreated it in our own way. And so there's the Fool. And here's the Magician. And I just used random scraps of paper that I already had to create this. And after the first two, I'm like, they're all going to have people in them, so I'm going to have to start doing faces. So I decided to collage faces in. And maybe that's why Grumbacher didn't put it on their Facebook page. There are several people that participated. Their posts are on there, so you can see all their cards. Really great drawings and paintings and stuff, but mine are just small. So there's the High Priestess. And then here's the Empress. Yeah, just a jelly print, but I added the face out of a magazine. And then the Emperor. And yeah, I put gold on all of them. I like the sparkle. See, there you can see the sparkle. It has a lot of sparkle. And then the Hierophant. This one has a lot of sparkle too. And then the Lovers. Okay, they have body issues, but it was well, I got to the Chariot. The Chariot. Those are my horses. They look like Egyptian doggies, but they're my horses. And strength. You like her little shoulder thing? And I just painted over a magazine picture for the face on this one. I was not free-handed at all. And then the Hermit. And the Wheel of Fortune. That's number 10. And then there's Justice. And this texture is done with Bria Reese. It's like an acrylic paint writer, but it gets really hard really fast, and every time I go to use it, it's clogged up. So yeah, so then I had a little break there, and then the Hanged Man. I didn't know how to do this one. I found this one. It actually, the ad goes like this, but I thought it was so funny. Yeah, we hung him. And then Death. Almost Death. More metallic, see? I have a lot of metallic jelly prints. Okay, and Temperance. Okay, I did draw that face, but it's a scary looking angel, I know. And then the Devil. I did not want an ugly, scary devil. I already did Death. He was scary enough, right? So, the Devil. And then the Tower. That's a crown falling off and a girl falling out. Just kind of similar to the ones I saw online, except for they had two people falling out. And then the Star. And then the Moon. You can see that. I figured those were dogs howling at the moon. That's my idea. And then the Sun. Yeah, they had a naked boy on a horse. That's the best I could do. Waving a flag. So there we go. The Sun. And then Judgment. They had people crawling out, in the original, they had people crawling out of the graves. I just haven't reached in their hands because I didn't want to do bodies. And then the World. And that was just cleaned off paint. It kind of looks like Earth, so I went for it. And of course they had a man and an eagle and like a bull or something and a lion. I did simplified versions. I got a kitty, a cow, just a seagull, and a stick figure, sort of. And that's it. And for doing those, I got all that fun stuff. So you should check out Grumbacher's Facebook page and follow along in case they do another prompt. And thanks all for watching. Catch you later.